Welcome to our channel of reviews of essential appliances for your kitchen. Today, we're going to talk about this incredible extra large air fryer. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've left the secure link to the website that sells this extra large air fryer in the description. The Emeril Lagasse 26QD Extra Large Air Fryer Convection Toaster Oven is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed to meet a wide range of cooking needs. With a substantial 26-quart capacity, this air fryer and multi-cooker can handle everything from quick after-school snacks to large family meals. The sleek stainless steel exterior adds an elegant touch to any kitchen, making it an ideal centerpiece for both everyday use and special occasions. One of the standout features of this appliance is its 24 cooking presets, which offer a variety of cooking methods such as air frying, baking, toasting, slow cooking, roasting, reheating, and keeping food warm. This versatility means you can use the oven to prepare a vast array of dishes without needing multiple appliances. The dual-speed fan and 360 degrees superheated air circulation ensure that food is cooked evenly and quickly, delivering crisp and golden results on two separate cooking levels. The interior light and French doors, which open with a single pull, make it easy to monitor your food as it cooks. The extra-large capacity is perfect for serving 4 to 6 people, making it possible to rotisserie a 6-pound chicken or bake a 12-inch pizza. The high-speed accelerated airflow cooks and crisps food faster than traditional ovens, providing precisely cooked, family-sized meals that are hot and ready to serve in less time. For those who enjoy grilling, the die-cast grill plate locks in juices and imparts an outdoor barbecue flavor with distinctive char grill marks. The air fryer function allows you to indulge in your favorite fried foods with up to 70% fewer calories from fat, promoting a healthier lifestyle without sacrificing taste. Cleaning up after cooking is straightforward, thanks to the non-stick surfaces and removable parts that are easy to clean. The one-handed opening mechanism adds to the ease of use, making it a user-friendly addition to any kitchen. Positive points. Versatility. With 24 cooking presets, the appliance can handle a wide variety of cooking methods, eliminating the need for multiple kitchen gadgets. Large capacity. The 26-quart size is perfect for preparing meals for 4 to 6 people, making it ideal for families and gatherings. Quick and even cooking. The dual-speed fan and 360 degrees air circulation ensure fast, even cooking results. Healthier cooking. The air fryer function reduces fat content by up to 70%, offering a healthier way to enjoy fried foods. Elegant design. The stainless steel exterior and French doors add a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. Ease of use. One-handed opening, interior light, and easy-to-clean surfaces enhance user convenience. Negative points. Size. The large capacity means the appliance takes up significant counter space, which might be a drawback for smaller kitchens. Learning curve. With so many presets and functions, there might be a learning curve for new users to get accustomed to all the features. Price. The versatility and capacity come at a higher price point compared to simpler, smaller air fryers and toaster ovens. The Emeril Lagasse 26QD Extra Large Air Fryer Convection Toaster Oven is an excellent investment for those who need a versatile, powerful, and stylish cooking appliance. Its ability to perform multiple cooking functions, combined with its large capacity and elegant design, makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. However, its size and complexity might not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with limited counter space or who prefer simpler cooking appliances. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that can handle everything from air frying to roasting large meals, this product is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments what you think of this extra large air fryer, and if you have any questions, write to me so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.